Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So AMC, we in the day at $18.33. So in this video, we're going to share our thoughts and opinions going into tomorrow, how to believe AMC price action will play out, guys. So on today, like I told you guys in the previous video, we seen exactly what we want to see. AMC making higher lows as we continue to progress throughout the day. We didn't run up this morning, reach our peak at 18.16, then give back all those gains, coming back to the low 17s. We consolidated right around $17.70-ish. We held the line to power hour. Once power hour came, we seen some more demand come in. We pushed up in after hours to around $18.50+ Once we did that, we seen the extra progress, the next step that we wanted to see, treating our previous resistance from our high of that morning, $18.16, treating that same point as now a form of support going into the after hours after running up to the 1850s. And once we come back down, they run up, got to shake the tree, scare some people out. As we came back down, though, to shake that tree, we start to hold up at 18.16, that same exact point that we had to break through from this morning to get to the 1850s. So that's a great sign as well, guys. Always give me an indication whenever you got a chart like we got on today of a continuation going into the next day. So I do believe tomorrow will be a green day. We know we do have a gap fill. Got to keep that gap fill in the back of mind. Know that we broke through 20 support, our main support at 20, which gave us an indication that we could come straight down to the high 15s, around 15.78, $14 range, guys, before making a real true reversal. But like I told you guys, the market makers are very smart. They know exactly what experienced day traders, experienced investors are looking for to load up real heavy. So they is going to have those price levels to where, they could basically want to be a little tricky, which we know they is trying to make the stock market a little more advanced, a little more tricky, so people could, stop day trading and stop doing options, and they could invest in index funds and mutual funds and bonds and try to, have them growing at an 8% year over year, instead of investing in individual stocks where they could make 50%, 100%, 200% on their money, guys. So anyways, they know exactly what we're looking for, the buy points, the sell points. So that's why I said from the algorithm of the market, it could possibly start running up after coming down to around the 16 range. And you see we hit a low today of 16.94, and after doing so, this thing took off. It ain't do much, because like I said, we still got a lot of proving ourselves to do. I'm waiting for the 100%, 200% days before we can actually say that, we back in the game, or at least getting back over that offense, defense barrier that I personally gave AMC, which is at $30. Being over $30 put us on offense. Being below $30 put us on defense, guys. So going into tomorrow, I do see us, if we could continue to hold up that line at 18.16, hold up in the low 16s and don't go below it. Even if we do, our next support, short-term support, will be at $17.72. Hopefully we don't crack that going into tomorrow. If we do, we going back down south. If we don't, we is going to hold up, which I do believe we is going to hold up. I don't like to leave you guys on the fence saying we're going to do this or do that. I just want to tell you the whole situation. So anyways, I do believe we're going to continue to go up, though. We just need to stay above 17.72. Our first line we want to stay above is the low 18s, right around 18.16, 18.10ish. We stay above that, we run up, break through strong resistance at $18.72, which I thought we was going to run up and hit after hours. Maybe we did. I didn't see it. But 18.72 is that next main level. If we break through 18.72 tomorrow, which I believe we will, we can run straight up to 19.73, $20. Break through 19.73, we'll run up to 21.22, guys. So I am expecting for us to run up to $19, $20 on tomorrow, guys. And if we break through that 19.73, we could see 21, 22 to early 20s. So that's what I'm expecting going into tomorrow. Probably, of course, pull back some when we run up. You know how it likes to do. Hopefully I'm surprised and shocked, because it's well overdue, and after being pulled back like this, we could run up very hard. And we know that main resistance when we run up will be that first spot at 23, just like last time. That main 23 resistance after we broke through it, I was letting you guys we could go straight up to the high 20s and the early 30s, and then that's exactly what we did. Ran straight up to 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, then came all the way back down like we had experienced. And we should be prepared for those 15, 20, $25 swings for this year, because I told you guys they were coming, but I just didn't know it would do us like that. Thought maybe we'll go to 33, 34, run up to the 50s, then take a $20 swing and come back down to 33, 32-ish, and it won't be as bad as it is now. But anyways, guys, that's what I think gonna happen going into tomorrow. That's my take on it. You already know what to do, guys. Consider joining the family. Add your boy on Instagram at The B Hayes Show. I love you. We out, and God bless you. We gone.